Good morning. We are late, but not intentionally, but we are changing our morning hours so we all don't have to come in until 9:30. That lets us shake off the cold a little bit. We're going to change Facebook Live to Wednesdays at 10 a.m. That gives us a little time to get in here at 9:30 and get prepared for Facebook Live. So today, 9:20, we started, but next Wednesday, 10 a.m., look for us on Facebook Live. If you don't know me, this is Shannon, Birdsong Quilting. I think you guys all know me. And we are coming to you today to talk about a few things. One is this beautiful quilt behind me. This is the, was it woodland? Darn it. Wildflower, woodland. Oh shoot, I forgot the name of the pattern. I'm sorry, the line. The pattern that we use is by Lavender Line, and it is a layer cake and a pattern. A layer cake and a panel. So you can use this pattern over and over and over again. And this is the panel that we have in stock here. This panel we have in both the neutral color and the black. It is stunningly gorgeous. And this quilt was made using this kit. This quilt is 79 by 88, very large quilt. Perfect for a queen size bed, and the kit is $144. So, we love the look. We have the accompanying bolt, a few accompanying bolts too, if you would like to use them for backing. And so, Ruth was generous enough to make us this sample. Thank you, Ruth. It looks great. It is stunning. The other thing I have in my hand here today is the April door banner kit. So, as you know, we are selling the Riley Blake door banner kits. It is a monthly subscription. There'll be 12 months, 12 different door panels, beginning in April. So I went ahead and made up the April door banner so that you can see it. It's Easter. You'll have it in time to do it for Easter this year because Easter's a little early, and love it. Took me a minute to figure it out. Ruby helped. This is a chocolate bunny with his Easter eggs and flowers out on the lawn. So if you love the door banners that we've been showing, go ahead and sign up on our website. That is the Riley Blake door banner kit. The last thing I wanted to talk to you about are some new hours. I mentioned them at the beginning of the video. We obviously always open at 9:30 in the morning, but the employees are going to start coming here at 9:30 in the morning during the winter, just so we can kind of get our things together in the morning before we head out into the cold weather. We know it's been very cold, and we want you to call first on Friday if we get some snow Thursday evening. The other announcement is our new Monday hours. So we are going to be closed primarily on Mondays. Our Monday hours will be the second Monday and the fourth Monday of the month. That is the night we have Alpha Girls. We will be open from 2 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. And then, of course, all of our classes that are on Monday, we will be open regularly scheduled. So Arcadia, Stained Glass, Solaire. If you have a Monday class with Patty, we will be here at our regular hours. Aside from those regularly scheduled classes, like Alpha Girls and all of Patty's classes, we will only be open the second and fourth Monday from 2 p.m. until 8:30. So we wanted to jump in and give you some evening hours for those of you that can't shop during the day, can't get off work. But we also wanted to kind of give our employees some more time off so that they can get their things together. This means, too, that Ruth and I will be here together starting February 1st. It'll be Ruth and I Tuesday through Saturday. And I'm excited for that, Ruth, because I miss her when I'm here and she's not. All right, that's all I have for now. We will see you next Wednesday at 10 a.m. Have a great day.